Moving on to the next point, what we have here is the fan in. So what actually fan in is? So fan in is nothing but the maximum number of inputs of a logic gate. What I mean to say, the maximum number of input of logic gate means what? Let us take an example here. Let us consider the IC7400, which is nothing but the NAND gate IC, but particularly it is a quad 2 input NAND. Why? Because particularly quad means what? It is number 4 and 2 input NAND. Whatever this IC package 7400 is there, consists of 4 NAND gates, and each NAND gate have 2 inputs. In the similar family, if you go further, you will have IC 7410, which is triple input NAND. So I will write down here, it's a 3 input NAND. Going further, if you go to IC 7420 or 7430, they will be respectively 4 input NAND or 8 input NAND. Now 4 input NAND means what? So this is a symbol for NAND gate, only one output is there, but if you see carefully in the input section, there will be 4 inputs, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that's why fan in for this NAND IC 7420 is 4. That is the maximum number of inputs. Now depending upon the requirement of the user or the customer, you can select the fan in IC, means all or these are NAND gate IC. For example, I am seeing this, but according to user, if you have 2 inputs only, then you can go for the 7400 IC. If you have 4 or 8 inputs, then you have to go for 7420 or 7430, that is 8 input and single output NAND. The next parameter is fan out. Now what a fan out is? Fan out is the maximum number of, exactly opposite to fan in, similar logic gates which can be driven by logic gate. Let us take an example here. So I have a NAND gate here. Let us say the NAND gate A is here, having 2 inputs and a single output is there, but the ability of this output to drive the similar number of NAND gates, so I can write down this as A1, A2, A3. Parent gate is A. The output of A can drive how many number of another NAND gate, means the same logic gate, means this output can trigger A1, A2, A3. So here the fan out for this, I can say this will be 3. Now it is always desirable that, because the high fan out advantage is to reduce the number of additional drivers. Means what? If I need to drive all these 4 NAND gates, it will not be convenient to have 4 drivers to drive each and every NAND gate separately. But what I am saying here, due to the high fan out, that is fan out 3 here, the only one NAND gate is driving the other 3 NAND gates. So one point is very important, that is nothing but high fan out is advantageous. So that's all about the fan out characteristics of a digital circuit.